Hello everyone, it's Russ with another amazing treasure report. Now this treasure is more of a historical treasure, but priceless nonetheless. It's May 8th, 1942, and a USS Lexington based plane has located the Shokaku Japanese naval group. A strike was immediately launched from the American carriers Lexington and Yorktown, which inflicted significant damages to the Japanese naval group. However, the enemy penetrated to the U.S. carriers at 11 a.m., and 20 minutes later, the Lexington was struck by a torpedo to port. Seconds later, a second torpedo hit to port, and at the same time, she took 3 bomb hits from Japanese dive bombers, producing a 7-degree list to port and several raging fires. By 1300, the fires were under control, and the Lexington was returned to even keel, making 25 knots. She was ready to recover her air group when, suddenly, the Lexington was shaken by a tremendous explosion caused by the ignition of gasoline vapors below deck, and again fire raged out of control. At 15:58, Captain Frederick C. Sherman, fearing for the safety of his men working below, secured salvage operations and ordered all hands to the flight deck, and by 1707 he has no choice but to order abandoned ship. The Lexington blazed on, flames shooting hundreds of feet into the air, when the destroyer Phelps closed to within 1,500 yards and fired 2 torpedoes into her hull, and with one last heavy explosion, the Lexington sank to the bottom of the Coral Sea. More than 200 crew members of the Lexington were killed during the battle, but most were rescued by other U.S. vessels. Enter the research and recovery team led by Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen, who located the wreckage of the USS Lexington this past Sunday, March 4th, 2018. The team research vessel RV Petrel discovered the USS Lexington some 2 miles down and approximately 500 miles off the east coast of Australia. The team released video and pictures detailing unbelievably well-preserved aircrafts and other wreckage. As the son of a survivor of the USS Lexington, I offer my congratulations to Paul Allen and the expedition crew of the research vessel RV Petrel for locating the Lady Lex, sunk nearly 76 years ago at the Battle of Coral Sea, said Admiral Harry Harris, U.S. Military Pacific Command. The search team said 11 planes had been found, including Douglas TBD-1 Devastators, Douglas SBD-3 Dauntlesses, and Grumman F-4F-3 Wildcats. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more shipwreck and lost treasure stories. For some other related videos, check out these stories.